From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to quickly install this wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm super excited to share this wig with you guys, because guess what? You know, normally I don't use glue to glue my wig anymore. That's old news. And I normally use my beard hairspray, but for this wig I didn't use my beard hairspray. I didn't use glue, absolutely nothing. Like, this wig is just, it didn't take much time at all. Like, it's just to wear it and off you go. Yeah, given that it's coily, I just went ahead to moisturize it a little bit. You know, when you get a coily wig like this, you have to always moisturize it to make sure that it doesn't tangle easily. Just as you take care of your natural hair, you make sure you take care of natural hair, you make sure you moisturize it. That's how I went ahead to just moisturize this wig with water, leave-in conditioner, and my heat protectant serum. And you can see it is looking so beautiful. Like, I love the color. Like the color is so beautiful. I love it. Sometimes it's good to go for something different. Why not? You know, I really love this color, and it's so soft. Like, hair is just so soft and so easy to work with. It's quite full. If you want to have like if you want to have it like a full coily, like afro coily wig, then you just dry it off, you know, and then fluff it out with your fingers. But if you want to have it to be like a wet the wet style, you know, you can spray a little bit of water, leave-in conditioner and all that, you know, which I did. And the quantity, the wig is quite full, you know. I really love it. The main thing I love about the wig is just the color. Like, it's so beautiful, and the coils, and this coil is so easy to maintain. It's a soft coil, you know, so it's easy to maintain. It's easy to get it to coil so fast, and it's easy to loosen it off as well. So I'm gonna put the link and everything that has to do with this wig in the description box below, of course. And the length is really nice. It's pretty long, you know, like this. So the length is really pretty nice for my height, you know. I really love this wig. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so the hair came through DHL. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So the wig came with these accessories, and this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, is a lace closure wig, and it comes with all this comb and the band as well to properly secure the wig. And this is it, guys. You guys can see the wig is so coily, and the coils are just so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. So now I'm just cutting out the tiny bit of lace in front, like the spare lace in front.
All the pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned, I am strong.
So right here, I'm just gonna do like a middle part. So when I part the hair in the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and tweeze out the middle part to give it a more natural look. So after tweezing out the part, I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer as well. Then I'm going to start spraying water on the wig to moisturize it. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner on it.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return when my eyes are closed.
Then I'll be applying my heat protectant serum on it as well.
Enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never die.
Then I'm going to lay the lace closure part with my hot iron. And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this wig is absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because I absolutely enjoyed making it. And thank you all so much for your love and your support, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.